My Rheem gas power water heater is flashing a heartbeat and smelled like gas. This happened 1 week ago and I reset with no problems until now. I have replaced the entire burner unit and the vapor sensor. The unit is 1 year old.
What happened just before your Rheem water heater displayed this message?
Nothing. It's been working fine.
How long has this been going on with your Rheem water heater? What have you tried so far?
We originally had different code and I misunderstood and replaced the burner unit when it was the vapor sensor. It was working fine for over a month now. Then the heartbeat happened with a slight gas smell last week. I reset it and it has been working fine until today. I went down to get something and had the slight smell of gas again.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm sorry you are having this issue. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. However, at times it may take a little while for a response depending on workload. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. This issue you are having is indicative of a bad pilot assembly. This can cause the gas smell as the unit is attempting to light. You likely have a hot surface igniter on your unit or an electric igniter that has failed. Another possible issue that you can actually check on is the alignment of the pilot assembly.
I just replaced the entire pilot/burner unit, so the alignment may be off. Thanks, didn't think of that.
No problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.